Hello everyone, welcome to the same low quality video recording that is my hunt for Raymond. So today I have prepared 600 Nookmao tickets here in my basement. Plus, I also have 200,000 miles to redeem. You know, just in case 600 tickets is not enough, because I've seen people spending over 1,000 tickets trying to find him. Aside from that, I also have a lot of paintings that I can sell for NMTs just in case 700 and something of them is not enough. So our target today is just Raymond. This is because, well, all of the villagers that is currently on my island, I really like them, and I don't want them to leave until I get their poster or photo frame. So yeah. By the way, we're not gonna stop until we get Raymond today, so this video might become very long. We are going to do this 100 tickets at a time, just in case I encounter a shark island. Well, let's get started. Hello there, Orville. Long time no see. Alright, first island. Oh, Money Rock Island. We got, oops, we got whatever this is. This bird is like wearing a kimono or something. Interesting. So that was a good start. Let's see. Oh. Hey, look, it's Stitches. He's basically Judy, but a bear. Aw, he's adorable. Well, look, man, I hate to leave you here, but wow, you know, just two tickets and I have Stitches. This is a good start, guys. This is a really good start. Okay, bye, Stitches. Love you. Alright, third island. Time to climb the mountain again. It's not Raymond. It's some chicken. Okay, I don't care. Let's go home. Island number 4. What? Oh, it's a unicorn guy. What was his name again? I don't remember. Let's just go home. Okay, so number 5. What? Who is that duck? Have I ever seen you? Miranda, you're cute. Well, you're not Raymond, so next. Alright, number 6. Oh, this guy. I kicked you off my island, and I don't want you back. Okay, Bamboo Island over here. Oh, it's a wolf. Oh, it's really adorable. Hello. Sky. Okay, next. Okay, it's actually island number 8 here. Ah, got another bear. Who are you? Hello. Blue bear. Aw, it's so cute. Tiny bear, adorable. Let's. Wow, another bamboo island already? Dude, I've seen this kangaroo before. Next. Okay, I don't know, is this number 10? It's a cat? Oh, is that, no, that's not Felicity. That's the other cat. Is it Kitty or something? No, it's Mary. Well, next. Well, nope. Let's see what we have. Oh my god, is this cow that has, I don't know, beard on his nose? Okay, island number 13. No, another money rock. I see a penguin. You look kinda cute. Who are you? Aurora. Okay, next. Another bamboo island? Oh, I've never seen you before. Honda? She's really pretty. She's pretty. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, is that other pretty elephant? Oops. What is her name again? Margie. I really like her eyes. Her eyes are really pretty. Alright, next. Okay, island number 26. Sorry, 16. Just another kangaroo. Oh, it's Carrie. Yeah, I've seen you before. Next. Okay, island number 17. It's not Raymond, but let's take a look at what it is. Oh, it's Zucker. Man, I don't know. I don't really get the appeal of Zucker. It's like octopus cannibalism going on at whatever Zucker is. I'm just leaving. It's a sister fruit island. Oh, another anteater? Are you kidding me? Who are you? Antonio. Antonio's really adorable. Look at that little eye. So cute. Next. Oh my gosh. I just went through the entire process of coming back, walking over to Orville, talking to Orville, and clicking everything with my eyes closed. It's incredible. And we have that caveman cup. Incredible. Next. This is great. I can literally do this with my eyes closed now. Okay, is this number 20? It's number 20. It's a shark fin island! Yes! It's a shark fin island! I mean, finfish island! Amazing. Let's see who's on this island. It's a pink monkey. Nana. I actually haven't seen a lot of the monkeys in this game, but that's not important. Let's go fishing. Yes, I caught a hammerhead. Awesome. Another whale shark. Another whale shark. Oh my, I caught a... That's the first time. So this time I made sure that my game is after 4 p.m. so I can get all of these sharks. Boom. 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 Bam. 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 Arr. Yes, another sunfish. Yes, another hammerhead. So I want to give these fish to CJ to make a little decoration out of it. So I might get rid of the extra whale shark and the extra gray or white in order to get 2 more ocean sunfish. Alright, my fishing life is complete. Let's go home. Here you go, Blathers. Take care of them, okay? Okay, number 21. is that a pink cow? Normal. Okay, she's adorable. Next. Okay, number 22. Huh. He's new. I've never seen this guy before. Who are you? Doc? Are you a doctor? Very cool. Very cool. Next. Alright, is this 23? Oh, we got this gold. Let me just check your name because I forgot. Shever? I probably pronounced that wrong. Oh well. Next. Okay, is this 24? Yep, it's 24. Let's see what we have. Oh, that dog. That give me Stitches vibes. Biscuit. Oh, he's wearing a cat shirt. Cute. Alright, next. 25. Another Sister Fruit Island. Oh, we got a polo here. Was he a cranky? Yeah, he might be one of the only decent looking cranky villagers out there. Yep, shots fired. But anyway, I'm not a fan of literally all of the cranky villagers. Let's go home. Okay, number 25 or 6. Ugh, I don't want to deal with that. Next. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, this bird. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, he's so adorable. Oh my god. Well, next. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh, it's a piggy. Hello, piggy. Truffles. Interesting. Next. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, it's the Lion King? Is that you, Lion King? It's him, Elvis. Okay, next. Alright, island number 30. It's one of those I need to climb a hill. Also, I don't think that's Raymond. Nope. I've never seen that hippo before. Who are you? Bertha. Kind of cute, I guess. Oh well, next. Okay, 31. What do you have here? Oh, it's a really adorable elephant. Cute. Next. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, another eagle. I've seen this guy before. What's your name again? Avery. Awesome. Okay, next. Ah, another bamboo island. Peanut. She's really cute. I've seen her before. Next. I wonder whether I'll get Anhka first or Raymond first. Cause I only have one space on my island. It will be a very hard decision if I happen to get Anhka first. Oh, I got a ugly duckling over here. Hello, Dina. Okay, her eyes are cute but too close together, and her hair is a bit of a disaster. Okay, let's go home. Okay, 35. Oh, that eagle that looked like a knight. Sterling. Cool. I like his design. Okay, next. Okay, is this 36? Yep. A frog. Tad. I think this is the first time I've seen Tad. Oh well, next. Okay, 37. Wow, we are getting a lot of eagles today. Can I hop? There we go. Oh, she looks really nice. Look at her little dress. Celia. She looks like a kind and lovely villager. Next. What do we have here? What do we have here? Have I seen you before? I've never seen this guy before. Hornsby. Okay, okay. Nothing really to say about him. Let's just leave. Okay, number 39. Oh, I've never seen him before either. Who are you? Peppy. Oh, I like the striped shirt and his striped legs. He's like a mix between a zebra and a horse. Okay, next. Alright, is this number 40? Yep. Yep. Number 40. Let's see. Is that a mouse? Nope. Oh, it's that guy. Ugh. Ugh. Let me out. Let me out. Next. Next. 41. Oh, our first duplicate, guys. Our first duplicate. Duplicate alert. 42, I think. Oh, we got this frog. Puddles. I mean, she looks like she could go rob a bank anytime. Well, next. Is this 43? Probably. Oh, another duplicate? Are you kidding me? Come on, Wilbur. What did we say last time about duplicates? Let's see what we have here. It's a monkey that I've never seen before. Hello, what's your name? Flip. Okay, I always find the villagers that have both eyes just looking up really weird. It's like they're giving me the white eye, even though they're not. Next. Oh, okay, what do we have? What do we have? Have I ever seen you? Let's just check name. Check name. Check name. You're like a pilot. Boomer. Oh, I've seen you before, Boomer. Okay, bye, next. Oh my god, I saw a really big fish on Boomer's Island and I caught whatever this is. Arapaima. Oh wow, it's gorgeous. Okay, time to leave. Okay, another bamboo island. Another hippo. Do I know you, sir? Rocco. You got really long eyelashes. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, bye. Next. Okay, island number 47. Oh, is that crocodile? And why am I holding a fishing rod? I'm out, I'm out. Bye. 48, man, we are almost 50. A duck. Who are you? Who are you? Bill. Okay, cool. Next. Okay, number 49. What? This island looks... Wait, this island looks weird. Is that the flamingo? Flamingo? It's a flamingo! Look at her! She is so cute! Oh, look at that flamingo! Oh, she is gorgeous! Oh, well, next. Also, what is this island? I've never seen this island layout before. It's so bizarre. Island number 50. Sister Island. Not Raymond. Is this the same goddamn chicken? It is the same chicken. Bye. Like, can I just not get a duplicate? If I don't have dupes at ticket maybe like 400, I would definitely have Raymond. Oh, that gorilla that has thick backside. Okay, bye. 52. Oh, you cute. Have I seen you before? I feel like I have. Stella. Aw, sheeps are adorable. Alright, bye. Alright, what do we have here? Octavian. Bye, Octavian. Damn it, I accidentally hit stop. But anyway, we are on 54. Let's just keep going. Oh, are you that monkey that Mountie? Huh. Never seen you before. Okay, bye. Alright, here we go again. I see a hippo. Who is this? Aw, you look like a mid-aged dude. Well, next. Are you kidding me? I forgot recording and it's Octavian. Bye. Okay, number. Wow, 57? Oh, it's a koala. Oh, this is a cute koala. Melba. Okay, nice to meet you. Alright, next. Okay, 58. Oh, it's a scrolly scroll. Have I ever seen you before? I don't think so. Oh, look at that tail. Adorable. Blair. Okay, next. Okay, number 59. Oh, is that the white tiger? Wait, Blanca or something? Oh, Bianca. Okay, cute. Next. Alright, I believe this is number 60. Yes. Oh, it's Marina. Look at her. Aww. She's really cute. But she's not Raymond. Next. Okay, 61. Oh, one of these gorillas. Yep. Louis here also have their backside just hanging. Next. Actually, isn't that gorilla the Donkey Kong inspired one? I think so. This might be 63. Let's see. Oh, it's a squirrel that is quite cute. Oh, you're cute. Also, yeah, I saw that leaf bug up there. Sylvana. Oh, look at her tail. It looks so unique. Aww. So adorable. Okay, next. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, it's a cow that looks very cow-like. Tipper. Alright, cool. Next. Go, 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 go. Oh, this is an interesting shape of an island. Have I ever seen this shape before? Oh my, you're like the guy in Lion King. Bonnie. He's also new to me. Okay, well, very interesting. I'll explore this island because this is the first time I've seen this shape. Okay, next. Alright, let's see. What do we have here? Oh, it's another squirrely squirrel. Hello, what's your name? Tasha. I love your eyeliner. I love your eyes. This squirrel has like a cat eye. Cool, next. I probably need to time travel and make it daytime. This is a bit dark. Oh, is that new elephant again? Hello, side. Goodbye, side. So we are on number 67. Isn't there supposed to be a villager here? Oh, here you are, this Gaston. Ugh, next. Alright, island number 68. Got a cup. I think I've seen you before. Murphy. Okay, cool. Next. Okay, number 69. What do we have here? Zucker? Come on, Zucker. Get out of here. Actually, just stay on this island. Don't move, alright? Next. Number 70. We got a bear. A bear that I've seen before. Bye. Island number 71. Oh, it's a Money Rock Island. Cool. Another gorilla. Is this a dupe? God damn it, stop duping, okay? I don't want to see your face again. Bye. 72. Oh, okay, it's that lion. Next. Number 73. Oh, is that kangaroo? Well, next. Man, it's like legit nighttime already. Who are you? Oh, it's Eugene. Well, next. Okay, number 75. Let's go. Oh my god. What are you? Is this a ninja bunny? Snake? It's a ninja bunny, guys. Amazing. Okay, bye. Okay, 76. Oh, it's Bull. Aww. He's adorable. Next. Oh, we got a peacock here. What's your name? Phil. Cool, okay, bye. Island number 78. Another Money Rock Island. Oh my god. Oh no, it's Anhka. Oh no, guys. How do I resist? I cannot resist. I must have her. Ah, we got Anhka. Look, I said I would skip Anhka, but let's be honest, I can't. Okay? I can't skip her. Hi girl, can you come to my island? Me meow, aw. Come to my island, please. Yes, best decision ever. Look, I had my eyes on Anhka ever since I scrolled through every single villager in New Horizon. I'm just like, she is just so unique. Look at her. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'll see you guys at home. So, it took 78 Nookmao tickets till we found Anhka today. However, I did say I will get Raymond today no matter what. So that means we need to kick someone out. Sadly. I don't know. I am so split. I don't know. Should I just sell Sherb? Because he just kind of moved in himself. I don't really care about him. Dom, I thought he was cute, but maybe not that cute once I got him. I really like Whitney though. I wouldn't want her to leave. Phoebe? I just got her though. So I don't know. It's either Dom or Sherb or Phoebe. We'll see in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.